In a shocking and heartbreaking turn of events, 1000 LB Sisters star Amy Slayton has received a medical diagnosis that fans and family are struggling to comprehend. According to a bombshell report backed by medical confirmation, recent brain scans reveal Amy Slayton's brain is currently functioning at only 14%. The devastating update has left loved ones in disbelief and sparked serious questions about Amy's long-term health, safety, and future in reality television. The discovery came after Amy began complaining of persistent dizziness, severe headaches, forgetfulness, and erratic mood swings. While some initially believed the symptoms were the result of stress or mental exhaustion after years in the spotlight, doctors insisted on further testing, including a full neurological scan. The results were more alarming than anyone could have expected. Fans of 1000 LB Sisters are familiar with Amy's long journey, her ongoing battle with obesity, mental health struggles, multiple pregnancies, and recent romantic turbulence following her separation from husband Michael Halterman. But no one imagined that behind her signature laugh and bold personality, Amy was quietly battling a hidden health condition that could potentially change everything. The doctor's diagnosis came during a scheduled appointment filmed for a potential future season of 1000 LB Sisters. According to production insiders, the filming crew was told to stop recording after Amy broke down in tears upon learning the results. It wasn't just emotional, it was traumatizing, one insider revealed. Amy has always been a fighter, but this was different. This was life or death. The official medical statement from Dr. Clara Hollingsworth, a neurologist consulted by Amy, reads, Amy Slayton's recent functional MRI and cognitive assessment indicate she is experiencing significant brain impairment, with active brain function currently assessed at approximately 14%. This means only a small portion of her brain is functioning within a normal range. This condition could be the result of prior trauma, undiagnosed neurological disease, or prolonged health neglect. The statement concluded that further testing and an urgent treatment plan were necessary to prevent potential deterioration. Fans flooded social media with prayers and emotional reactions. This can't be real, one longtime viewer tweeted. Amy doesn't deserve this. She's been through so much already. Others voiced concern for her children, Gage and Glenn, wondering how the diagnosis would impact her ability to parent. I just hope she has support and doesn't try to fight this alone, another fan commented. Sources close to the family say that Tammy Slayton, Amy's sister and co-star, was the first to be notified after the diagnosis. Tammy is heartbroken, a family friend shared. She immediately dropped everything and rushed to Amy's side. For once, the roles are reversed. Amy has always been the caretaker, especially during Tammy's health scares. Now Tammy wants to be the strong one for Amy. Tammy reportedly cancelled her upcoming promotional events for her own health journey and weight loss brand to stay close to her sister during TH's critical time. The Slayton family, who has had a rocky past both on and off camera, is said to be rallying together like never before. Even Amy's ex, Michael Halterman, has reportedly reached out offering support and assistance with the children. But behind the scenes, there's more concern than comfort. Multiple sources claim Amy has been showing signs of cognitive decline for the past few months, forgetting names, misplacing important items, and struggling to finish her sentences. We thought it was stress, one crew member admitted. But looking back, the warning signs were there. Doctors have not confirmed the exact cause of Amy's neurological issues, but speculation is growing. Some believe it could be linked to complications from weight loss surgery. Others point to untreated high blood pressure, diabetes, or even past trauma. A few online commentators, citing older episodes, pointed out moments where Amy hit her head or experienced fainting spells. While fans debate the possible cause, doctors are focused on one thing: saving what's left of her brain function and possibly reversing the damage. Dr. Hollingsworth has reportedly recommended an aggressive treatment plan, including regular oxygen therapy, dietary changes, cognitive therapy, and medication. We're not giving up, she stated. Amy has a long road ahead, but there is hope. Early intervention, even at this stage, could improve her condition. We've seen people bounce back from worse, but it takes resilience, patience, and support. The question remains, Can Amy Slayton return to her old self, or even continue filming the show that made her famous? TLC has yet to issue a statement, but insiders say production is paused indefinitely for Amy's segments. There are whispers that the network is considering a spin-off focusing on Tammy or possibly a documentary-style special on Amy's recovery. Meanwhile, Amy herself took to Instagram to briefly address the situation. In a now-deleted story post, she wrote, "This ain't the end of me. I'm scared, yeah, but I've been scared before and I came through. Keep praying. I need y'all now more than ever." The post was followed by a photo of her two sons, signaling that her fight isn't just for herself, but for her family. Fans and followers continue to show support online with hashtags like #PrayForAmy and #SlaytonStorm trending on Twitter and TikTok. Heartfelt messages and montages of Amy's funniest and most uplifting moments are spreading across social media, a testament to how deeply the public has connected with her. Over the years, the Slayton sisters have become icons of vulnerability, humor, and grit. From their first appearance on YouTube to their breakout reality success, they've never shied away from showing the raw truth of their lives. Now, with Amy facing the biggest challenge of her life, that honesty is more poignant than ever. As Amy begins treatment, sources say she's focusing on small victories, spending more quality time with her boys, limiting screen time, and embracing mental exercises recommended by her care team. Family meals are now built around brain-boosting foods like leafy greens, berries, and omega-3 rich salmon. It's a total life overhaul, and Amy is reportedly taking it one day at a time. The reality of a 14% brain function diagnosis is sobering, but medical experts say it's not necessarily the end. The human brain is surprisingly resilient. Drive. Hollingsworth explained. With proper intervention and consistent care, it's possible to improve cognitive function, even from a low baseline. But the key is not waiting. We must act now. In the midst of uncertainty, Amy's spirit remains unbroken. According to close friends, she's been journaling her experiences, possibly in hopes of turning her health journey into a future book or even a motivational documentary. She wants people to learn from this, one confidant said. She doesn't want pity. She wants people to understand that brain health is just as serious as physical health. TLC viewers have followed Amy's ups and downs for years, from her gastric bypass to her pregnancies to her marital breakdown. But this latest chapter could be the most defining moment of her life. Whether she returns to television or not, her bravery in the face of terrifying news has already inspired thousands. As of now, Amy remains under close supervision. Weekly visits to specialists, regular therapy sessions, and strict monitoring are all part of her new routine. Her family, fans, and medical team are all hoping for a miracle, or at least a manageable path forward. The Slayton household, once filled with cameras and chaos, is now a quiet place of healing and reflection. Tammy, Chris, Amanda, and even distant relatives have stepped in to help. It's a true family effort, one that reflects the deep bonds forged by years of shared pain and public life. Ultimately, Amy's journey is far from over. Her diagnosis may have stunned the world, but it hasn't defeated her. As she herself said, "This ain't the end of me. It's just the beginning of a new fight, one for her mind, her future, and her family." And judging by the outpouring of love and hope from around the world, Amy Slayton won't be fighting alone. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.